Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, guys, we'll show you how to remove and replace front headlight bulb, let's say low beam, high beam headlight bulb on Volkswagen Touareg right here we have at the shop. So that, I think that should cover 2004 all the way until 2009 with some minor differences depending on the model. Stay with us, guys, and let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, so if you go to the trunk, you open the tool compartment under the cover, you have that tool. This is a special tool for the headlights. We'll show you why you need that one now. Okay, right here there is a place where you put the tool and you turn counterclockwise. Okay, about half revolution, and now you need to grab the headlight and pull on it. It will come and then it will stop. What you need to do, through that hole in an angle, you're going to aim for one spring. Once we remove the headlight, we'll show you exactly where this thing is. Okay, it's almost there. Okay, you see, you need to press on it, and while you're pressing, one person will need to pull on the headlight. Okay, so while pressing there on the spring, okay, you need to pull it out, then you pull the tool out. Now you can pull the whole headlight just like that. This is the spring we're talking about. Okay, you need to press it down so the headlight can come out. Okay guys, so now the low beam is here, high beam is right here. The low beam side, you need to open that lid. Okay, you get the spring out. Okay, you can see like that. Okay, and that's where the bulb is located, right here. So now, in order to remove it, guys, okay, you grab it like that and you pull it out. Okay, this is the bulb now. Okay, now we have that prying tool. You can use a screwdriver, but careful not to break the bulb, cut yourself. Okay, we need to pry down there, a little bit on this side and a little bit on this side. Okay, hold the bulb not to fall. And wear gloves always, and especially when you're installing the new bulb, don't touch it with your fingers on the glass part because it will make the bulb burn fast. This is because what's happening, the oil from your fingers will make the bulb really hot when it's on, and it will burn. Okay, when you're ready to install it, okay, you need to make sure that everything is lining there. Okay, the way it's supposed to be, like that. Okay, you need to hold it down, and now we need to push, okay, the wires in, which could be a little bit tricky. Okay, it went in, and now we're going to go ahead and install the bulb. You need to find the sweet spot and turn it clockwise this time. Okay, just like that. Okay. Now all we will have to do, install the cap. It goes on this side first, and then you need to close it and put the spring. The high beam is right here. You open this lid, and that's where the bulb is located. So in order to remove this one, guys, you need to get your fingers there and turn. Okay, you need to turn counterclockwise, but it will be easier if you remove the wire. Okay, once we pull it out, I'm gonna show you, demonstrate how to remove the wire because it's very hard to see inside. Okay, this is the wire now. Okay, like that. So you need to push that piece, okay, to the outside and push the wire in. Okay, and now the bulb, you need to turn it, okay, counterclockwise about 30 degrees, I think, and it will come out. Okay, it's almost actually between 60 and 90 degrees, and this is the headlight bulb, guys, right here. This is the number H9. Okay, if you need it, and installing it goes kind of like that. Okay, and you need to get it in the slots, and after that you need to turn until it locks. Okay, and it's ready there, you can see. So all we have to do is just connect the wire. So if you have smaller hands, that will be better. Mine don't fit so good, but girls' hands probably will fit there a little bit better. Okay, everything's connected now. All we have to do is just install the rubber seal. Next, we'll need to install the headlight again. So all we need to do right here, you need to go in that canal. Okay, you can see all the way in, and you need to push straight to the back until it locks. Okay, like that. After that, you need to get the tool and you need to lock it going clockwise. Okay, you're gonna hear a click and then you stop. That's it, guys. So that's the whole procedure for removing and replacing headlight bulbs on Volkswagen Touareg. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's grow the channel together. And so guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.